and then you rhyme, and then you rhyme, and then you rhyme, and then you continue. Repent to be sent astray. What's the big difference anyway? Pray for peace, but prepare to die for it. Not much of a subtle monument to the slaves that died to fully realize the petulant few who demanded of us. Propose a toast to those who bleed the most. God bless this mess of incandescence. Welcome to a world forsaken, and in my progress sadly mistaken. That there's a logic consecrated, means of reflection disintegrated. You grind just to break your daily bread. You grind joy the spoils of living dead. You grind such a sinking sensation. Choosing someone else's greatness self-imposed. We carry the load, designed to find premature repose. Bleeding from the eyes, such a subtle disguise, hurting just enough to say goodbye. Deeper still, the reasons why we kill to deny the epidemic lie. The deck is stacked, unrelenting attack, exactly the distraction we devise. Welcome to a world forsaken. The name of progress sadly mistaken. Absence of logic consecrated. Means of reflection disintegrated. You grind just to bring your daily bread. You grind, enjoy the spoils of living dead. You grind such a sinking sensation, achieving someone else's greatness. Space and time in all of mankind, the ignorant bliss of oblivion indulge the lion's plan of fleecing the lamb to the blind ambition. To trade the birthright for innocence, giving credit for a life already spent, selling short of satisfaction. Champion of reaction, bear the shame your broken crown. Existential mental breakdown, dead in the pain by enemies necessary. So very, very self-explanatory. Welcome to a world forsaken. The name of progress sadly mistaken. Absence of logic consecrated. Means of reflection disintegrating. You grind just to break your daily bread. You grind to serve the world of living dead. You grind such a singing sensation. Greatness.